Okay, Paper Rubik's Cube Part 2. Aha! So I'm just going to start by cutting these out first. So now I'm going to fold these and put them together. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue this one. So this is where the mistake is right now. This should be a valley fold. Right there should be a valley fold. This one should not be a mountain fold, but should be a valley fold. Like right about there. Okay, alright. I have to press it against there. Yep. Very surface glued here. Yep. Alright, and we just let that piece dry. And we'll do another one. Just keep going at that. So after making these, you can then start putting these together and put these on them. Just don't glue this one just yet, because that will need to access the inside. Okay, and we'll just go ahead and attach them two together. So we want to put some glue right along here, and glue it face-wise. That'll help reinforce it. And put little wispy little strips here. Yeah. Just do look at this. Just gonna make sure it's not too thick. And I'm gonna insert the tabs into the slots that I mentioned about. Okay. Can be kind of tricky sometimes, it seems like. Alright. Get that in there. That helps for alignment there too, actually having those slots. Yeah. Okay. Got a little press there. This one over here, a little press. Alright. And now we glued the tabs on the inside to give it some reinforcement. So these two tabs right here are not glued yet. These two tabs are not glued. So we just need to glue those. And it's not laying flat, so I'm going to have to fix that first. Yeah, okay. Alright, getting there. Alright, that's looking a little bit better. Alright. Okay, now I'm going to just kind of fold these flaps inward a little bit so I can get in there and put glue on them. It'll also help pull it in together at the top. And now for the glue. Just going to glue it down in there. This will also bridge the gap a little bit, but from the inside. And that was a little gobby there, but I'll just let it settle there and do this one. There we go. Yeah, okay. Got that one. Now see, this one is glued, this one is just kind of hanging in the breeze. Yeah, and I'm just going to glue this one down. Yeah. Just like that. Yeah, it was a little gobby there. Yep, okay. And let's do that one. Okay, yep. Alright, now we can glue the lid shut. You can also test fit it. So you can take your core after you've finished it from part 1 and you can just put it in there. It should fit without being too snug. It should be you know, like snug, but like shouldn't be too hard to get it in there. Should be able to turn smoothly. Yeah, looks good. So after you get all 12 of these done, you can start moving on to the corners. And I got 11 more to do, so it's going to be a while before I can do any more.